and rock.
Ooh yeah. Well, alright, we're jamming. I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming, jamming, and I hope you like jamming too. In the room, say no loud, we can do it anyhow. You know we'll see you through. 'Cause every day we pay the price, we'll deliver sacrifice. Jamming till the jam is through. We're jamming.
Bottles and ranks come from mash up the place.
Hello folks, welcome to Yardie's Kitchen, and today I am making a quick and easy vitamin C blast juice. Right? Vitamin C blast? I can call it that? Or blasted vitamin C? Which one? It's one out of the two. But guys, as you can see here, I have oranges, right? And we have more than this, but I'm just using this for display. We have oranges here, and we also have lime. Now, for most, I don't know about you guys, but sometimes we buy limes and lemon, and them get left in the fridge until them start to look beat out and stuff. And it's times like these that you want to utilize them, all right? So in this season of cold and flu and all of these things, vitamin C blast, okay? And to add a little bit of color and also add some more nutrients to our vitamin C, I'm adding a beetroot. Yes. And it's simply, very, very simply, juice all of them, put it in one cup. But I'm going to show you the procedure. Alright? So the first thing you want to do is make sure you have your handy juicer, because otherwise you'll be juicing until the devil is a boy. Okay? So let's get going. If you want to talk.
Alright guys, so we're just cutting up the orange and the lime and the lemon and everything, prepping it to put it in our orange juicer and then move on.
And the reason why we're using lemon and lime is because lemon carries a different flavor than the lime. That's something that you guys should know. Yeah, lemon carry a different flavor than lime. Alright, so if you want to really and truly add to your ingredients or your flavor to your something, yeah. Alright, great. Now we're gonna work on this one.
Ooh. Like guys, the beetroot can be very messy and it will stain up your hands if you're not careful. So just try to make the peeling process as quick as possible and have a handy paper towel where you can just quickly wipe the stain off, right?
Man a bad man, man used to the red blood. Finish. And my hands are not red as super red.
That looks like authentic blood. That's why they say that this is good for your blood, you know.
And it also has nitric oxide, guys. Beetroot is known for nitric oxide, which is a blood booster. Alright, so those persons who struggle with high blood pressure is good.
Boost your blood, boost your blood, boost your blood, boost your blood, boost your blood.
You could have left it, you know, see? You could have left something right there.
And you guys can even use your regular lime juicer to juice the lime because it's easier.
Yeah, it's sometimes faster than, you know, and you save back all of the seeds.
Right. Oh, the damage has been done. Yeah. And time to juice the beetroot now.
I just want to put up the raw beetroot, and I'm gonna grab a piece of ginger because I left out the ginger. Alright, so simmer piece of ginger. About this?
Yeah.
A small piece.
Because it has to be proportionate to the amount of juice that you're making. You don't want it to be overpowering.
So about this ginger is good.
Yep. Perfect.
What about the whole light?
You crazy? If you put too much, it's gonna burn you.
But it's a blast. So it's supposed to blast me. Alright, so about this ginger.
Right, which is what, like an inch?
Half a thumb. Half a thumb of ginger.
So what if it's a baby thumb, or you know?
It's a full thumb. And then you pretty much just want to take your orange juice, pour it in your blender.
Yeah. So it's getting deeper and deeper as you blend it. Getting richer and richer and clear.
Because it's more it's macerating more. So there you have it, guys. The juice is juiced, and we are just pouring it into our bottles that we have, that we drink kombucha out of. And this is just an easy way to reach it when we're ready to drink. You know, normally we will put it in a bigger container, but we find that when you personalize it and make each person get their own bottle, it really works out. You know, that person could have it at their leisure. They could drink it whenever they want. Normally we allow for 24 hours for drinking this juice because we want to make sure that you maximize the enzymes in the raw beet and stuff. So we just get yourself two nice little glass bottle, and these are bottles that we have bought kombucha in, and I like how the bottle them look, so we're just using them for this purpose. So this is it, guys. Quick and easy vitamin C juice blast, yeah, for the cold and flu season. Joshua has his own, the wifey has hers, and I have mine. And I promise you guys, nice, gingery, tangy, sweet, everything in one. Nice juice. It's such a good thing when you can use natural, fresh vegetables and fruits to make something awesome. And this is the way you change your diet, little by little. You know, you don't have to punch it and go hard too quick. Just take small steps, and those small steps do work. So remember to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend that Yardie Belly TV is on. And guys, please share our YouTube channel with your friends and your families. We are looking for maybe 150 likes on this video, maybe 1,000 likes on this video. So guys, we are looking for some support. Remember guys to check out the description box for ways in which you can support Yardie Belly TV. And until then, remember to live and laugh, cook and eat. Alright? Yardie Belly TV, peace in the Middle East.